Today we are looking at a nice clipper AGM 224 seed cleaner. And as you can see, this unit is equipped with the Auger kit. We're going to go ahead and do a walk around of the unit. We're not going to show you how to load the screens in this video this time. We have another video on how to load the screens, which I will tag in the top right corner. This is looking at the serial tag. You can see the serial number there, the volts, single phase, 1 horsepower motor. That is the motor that drives the cleaner that is inside the front safety cover, which we will remove and show you behind that here in just a moment. We're going to go over the features of this seed cleaner. The unit is equipped with an adjustable in-feed gate. By loosening this hand nut and turning this lever, you can increase or decrease the flow of the seed going through the seed cleaner. The unit is also equipped with adjustable air intake shutters on both sides of the mill. You can loosen this hand nut and raise and lower these to increase or decrease the airflow going through the seed that you are cleaning. This is looking at the AGM 224 seed cleaner with the front cover removed. You can see the unit is equipped with counterbalance. This is standard on all AGM 224 seed cleaners. Also has a nice ball door 115 volt single phase electric motor. As you can see, everything is nice and clean on this unit, looking on the inside. The AGM seed cleaner has a permanent scalp sift flow pattern. The product enters the cleaner from the hopper. It is discharged onto this first screen, which is a soybean screen. So the beans would be falling through this first screen, and anything larger, like your pods and your stems, would fall into this chute on the end and would be discharged out the side of the mill. The soybeans would then fall onto your second screen, which is inside the cleaner, and anything smaller than the bean would fall through the screen and be discharged out the siftings discharge chute. And then the soybeans that are clean would drop down into the auger and would be augered up the tube and discharged out of your two-way spout here. This is looking at the back of the seed cleaner. You have your light air here. This is where all of your light air particles would be coming out when the cleaner is cleaning seed. And then below you have your heavy air discharge chute here. And then the clean seed is discharging into the auger, which you can see here. It is important to note that when you are finished cleaning seed, you loosen these wing nuts and take this door off and make sure you clean out the auger so that you don't leave any debris in there that would cause corrosion to the seed cleaner. This is looking at the motor that drives the auger. You can see it's a 1/3 horsepower 115 volt single phase ball door motor. The auger is equipped with a really nice plastic core. This helps with gentle seed handling. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start the unit. There's the cleaner. We will start the auger. Here you can see the unit running. Everything is running nice and smooth and as it should. So really nice seed cleaner. Ready to go to work. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.